What do I know about building a porch? Correct. Somehow I've got to build a porch here.
Oh, Dad, what's he doing? He's cutting his new tiles. What's going on?
It's all right. This will all make sense. Bear with me. So, long bit of timber. Going to bolt it to this wall all the way along. Drilling holes in. We're going to put metal studs through into the wall with resin to anchor it in. That'll give us something to build off of. And then we're going to come off of it across here. We're going to have another bit here and another bit here. This will all make sense as we do it. So let's get cutting. 4 studs, washers and nuts. Just want to see how long our bit of timber wants to be. 2.4. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you know what time it is? It's coffee time. You know what other time it is? Subscribe time. What's it cost? Nothing. Oh, it's too good, isn't it? So, 2.4, right there. This is a bit 6x2. Because we've got a bit of metal in the way up there, I'm going to cut this to go either side of it, which was 850. Yeah. Good hole from my stud. Right, hole from my stud. That fits. Spot on. Right, I'm going to use this gear. It's Chemfix. This is really good actually. So, it's a resin. You mix it together, you put it in the holes that you drilled in the wall for the studs to go in, and it goes rock solid and holds it in perfect. You have to waste a little to get it to mix, so it mixes in the tube. It's very clever. Right, get it on the wall. You pump it in the hole, so you push the nozzle as far in as you can get it. I can get there. Wow, in this weather that gear goes hard proper quick. Next. Once them bolts are done up, that is rock solid. That ain't going nowhere. Right, Livid, got to cut my tiles. No, they're brand new. But it's all right, because I'm extending this across for the top of the porch. So I'm going to cut them along here. All that lot is going. Well, that felt horrible. Anyway, eggs and omelettes and all that stuff. Flat roof goes uphill steadily, obviously, so the water can run off that way. Hence why the cut is at an angle. The new roof will go onto here, he says. I've done some housework today. Yeah, hoovered and everything.